lovely people, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is baked chips using whole wheat without margarine. Very simple and tasty. You are going to love every bit of it. But before we go on, please subscribe if you have not yet done so. Click on the bell icon, like and share this video. So we are making use of onion and garlic, and I'm also going to add a bit of spring onions and bell pepper, which are optional. So I'll blend all of them together. Now my flour is 250 grams, that is 2 cups, 250 grams, and I'm taking less than half cup from it. I'm going to add a pinch of salt to it. Then I'll add 80 ml of oil to it. You can use coconut oil, olive oil, or any oil of your choice. I'm adding my nutmeg, a teaspoon of nutmeg. So mix everything. I'll add extra 3 tablespoons of the coconut oil. You can use olive oil or any oil of your choice. Okay, you can also make use of your margarine. So at the end of the day, this is what you're supposed to get. When you mix your oil with it, you should be able to mold it, because you want a rich, flaky chips, baked chips. You get it. So I started adding my blended mixture to it little by little. The consistency you are looking for is not too dry, and you don't want it too sticky too. Do you get it? So you add them little by little. Now you can decide to add baking powder to this, but I didn't add any baking powder. You can add a tablespoon of baking powder and that will be fine. So I'm just sprinkling water on it little by little so I get a consistency that I'm looking for. So this is okay. It is not sticky and it is not too dry. Do you get it? So we are going to mold this, and I'll bring out my chopping board, applied flour on it, and then I'm going to roll my dough and we are going to cut it. Yes. If you give it a lot of water, you end up activating the gluten, so you will not get it flaky if you want it flaky. And bear in mind, you are not using margarine for this, so you need to be mindful of the water you add. Do you get it? So we are slicing our chips. Okay, so I'll bring out my baking pan. I've lined it with a parchment paper, so I'll bring that out and we are going to arrange them on it. Please like and share this video, leave a comment. Okay. So I'm going to slice these ones also. Okay. Okay, so guys, this is it. So I also used my cookie cutter to cut some into star shape and heart shape, and I baked it for 15 to 20 minutes. So this is it. I'm done with it. Very simple but tasty. You are going to love every bit of it. So this is it. Making chips with whole wheat, healthy version, no white flour in it, no margarine, and it tasted great. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.